Chevron Middle School is located in Fresno County. Huron at the latest census was one of the poorest cities in California. The majority of our parents work in the fields. Chevron has done a great job in giving back to bring some science courses that were engaging for our students who normally were just getting the regular science class.
My dad works in the fields. He works about every day. He comes home really tired. When I grow up, I want to be a chemical engineer or an anesthesiologist. I would grab random juices from the fridge and mix them up. I would imagine I just created a cure for like a really big disease.
I know that these students will make a difference. They will find a way to take those tools, those resources, and really transfer it to something productive for society.
#Fresno Progress.